Hi guys and welcome to InstaSwap exchange. This is a tutorial on how to buy Apecoin in some simple steps. Exchanging your crypto has never been easier. Beforehand, let's look at the official Apecoin website. Apecoin is a cryptocurrency empowered by the APE ecosystem. The ERC-20 token was launched last month, on March 16, 2022. The main use of this token is for utility and governance purposes. As the name may indicate, the team behind the new cryptocurrency is the largest NFT community, Bored Ape Yacht Club. Web3 and the decentralization that it offers nowadays is the basis and the motivational key point for BAYC. For that reason, the BAYC team expanded its technological capabilities with the Apecoin creation. The actual creator of Apecoin is Apecoin DAO, a decentralized autonomous organization with the mission to govern Apecoin. Also, the holders can take important decisions and vote for their recommendations to the ecosystem. Bored Ape Yacht Club is one of the most popular NFT collections with 10,000 apes on the Ethereum blockchain. The collection consists of various profile pictures of cartoons that are called apes. Those apes represent different NFTs, and the most expensive Bored Ape number 8817 was sold for $3.4 million. Collaborations with companies like Adidas established a prominent road to development. The team behind BAYC, Yuga Labs, wanted to provide this collection as its experts in NFTs, blockchain technology and cryptocurrency. Now we will show you how you can exchange your crypto in a few simple steps to Apecoin. Start by selecting the currency that you want to exchange at the You Send section. Then select APE as the currency you want to receive at the You Get section. Our system will show you instantly the best available exchange rate. Now simply enter the amount that you wish to exchange. You will be given an indication of how many coins you will receive. Press Swap Now, and you will be forwarded to the next step. Now, enter the receiving wallet address that you wish to receive your coins. As well as the refund wallet address that you will be sending the funds from. Enter your email address in order to verify your transaction by entering the 4-digit code that you will receive after you press Continue. Make sure that your cryptocurrency wallet addresses are correct and simply accept the terms and conditions and AML/KYC policy and press Continue. Make sure that you are not a robot to continue. Enter the verification code that you received in your email address. If you haven't received the confirmation code within minutes, make sure to check your junk/spam folder and press Continue. Send your funds to the generated address by copying the wallet or by scanning the QR code and wait for your coins to arrive. While we expect your funds, our system will detect your deposit and await for the required confirmations. Next, our service will exchange your coins and send you your desired currency to your provided receiving wallet address. And that was it. Your transaction has been successfully completed. For any questions or further support, do not hesitate to contact us at support@instaswap.io. Thanks for using our service. We are always looking forward to see you on instaswap.io.